The 2026 Maserati MC20 Cielo captivates from the first glance with its sculpted front end. The signature Maserati grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights and aggressive air intakes, gives the car a fierce and elegant presence. Every curve and line contributes to its aerodynamic prowess, blending beauty with performance. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that reflects Italian luxury and race-inspired design. The use of Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather showcases Maserati's attention to detail. The interior is tailored for both comfort and excitement, wrapping the driver in a sporty, high-end atmosphere. The seats are finely contoured and provide superb support during spirited driving. Power adjustable, ventilated, and wrapped in rich leather, they offer a perfect balance between track-ready form and daily comfort. Maserati also adds subtle contrast stitching and embossed trident logos to complete the refined look. The dashboard features a modern, minimalist layout with a fully digital instrument cluster. A central touchscreen controls infotainment, navigation, and climate systems. Touch-sensitive controls and a clean design make the user experience intuitive and sleek. Under the hood, the MC20 Cielo packs a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine delivering around 621 horsepower. The Nettuno engine rockets the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for rapid, smooth gear changes. And at the rear, or front as Maserati enthusiasts playfully call the compact rear trunk, there's just enough room for a weekend bag or two. While not built for practicality, the MC20 Cielo still offers a taste of everyday usability in a stunning, high-performance package.